Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by establishing the kettle's fundamental shapes so proportions stay consistent. Draw a horizontal ellipse for the base and place a vertical centerline. This gives you perspective and symmetry. Next, block in the body as a tapered cylinder or rounded dome, marking where the spout and handle will attach. Once done, slightly tilt the centerline for a natural 16th to 9 feel and refine the base ellipse. This prevents a flat, unrealistic silhouette and sets up the 3D construction. Now you refine contours and enforce perspective so the kettle reads as three-dimensional. Place a concentric ellipse for the top opening, matching the base perspective. This creates believable depth. Model the spout as a tapered tube and draw internal cross contours to show curvature and volume. For the handle, sketch 2 parallel strokes, then add an inner contour to indicate thickness. Make sure to connect these elements smoothly to the body, because joined edges sell the illusion of a solid object. To finish, you translate form into material by shading and adding small details that read as metal. Pick a single light source and block in core shadows, midtones, and crisp highlights on curved surfaces. This defines roundness and reflective quality. Refine the lid knob, rim, and seams, using harder edges where metal bends. If proportions seem off at this stage, step back and nudge the ellipses and intersection points before committing to shading. This quick tweak prevents ray tracing and keeps the kettle convincing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.